Hello, I'm Alex from Promonoise, and I am thrilled to be bringing you this review of an unbelievable DML ball cap. Who's DML? They are the premium supplier of ball caps in Canada and the exclusive distributor of Cap America's world-renowned caps. This cap I'm wearing today is crazy cozy. It's called the i1002 Relaxed Golf Cap. You might say it's Canada's #1 dad cap. And you might also say that it is so cozy, it's like wearing your favorite pair of track pants. I love taking this hat out of the closet on the weekends because it's a low-profile, 6-panel, unstructured hat. And what that means is it fits close to the skull, it's really comfortable, and it lends itself to beautiful decoration. And that's something that DML does impeccably. Whether you're embroidering or using a patch or using laser, they've got it, they do it in-house, and they ship it out immediately. This is a company that is forward-thinking. In fact, their sample policy is revolutionary. If you want a sample of any cap in their line, they'll send it to you no charge. And if you want to send your customer's logo over, put it on the hat, they give spec samples for free. This hat is available in 32 different colorways. So for any single event, you're going to be able to find that perfect color for you. And I got to tell you something else. This cap has been in the Cap America line for 30+ years. Now, there's a difference between old and boring and vintage and classic and exciting. This hat is like wearing your favorite pair of jeans. It's like wearing a classic white t-shirt. That's the kind of hat this is. It's cozy, it's comfortable. It's the i1002 Relaxed Golf Cap made with a chino twill material. You're gonna love it. I'm Alex from Promonoise. If you like this video, please give us a like, subscribe to our channel, and we'll keep making beautiful noise.